Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Find My No Location Found. So to fix the No Location Found error in the Find My app, you can start by verifying the internet connection. Both you and the person you are trying to locate must have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Also, make sure that neither device is in airplane mode. You can also simply toggle Wi-Fi or a cellular data off and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now the next what you can do is enable the location services. Location tracking won't work if location services are globally disabled. So what you can do is just go to your device settings, then go to location services, scroll down to Find My, and make sure that the location access is set to while using the app and the precise location is turned on. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.